Hey friends, it has been so long since I've been on YouTube and a lot has been going on and I'm so excited for today's video. Today's video is going to be kind of short, but I want to take you into my kitchen. So this video is going to be titled New Year 2025 New Kitchen. I was blessed this Christmas with all brand new kitchen appliances and it wasn't planned at all. But it happened. So this is what my kitchen looked like before. And this is what it looks like now. I know the camera is not going to do justice, but there is a product at Walmart and it is called Beautiful by Drew Barrymore. It all started with this piece right here. I'm going to try to get it out for you guys. So this right here, I bought a couple years ago because I love white and gold with black accents. I just think that's modern with a touch of elegance. I don't know why, but I love it. And it also has that touchpad, just makes it a little bit more futuristic for the kitchen. But anyway, my brother blessed me for Christmas. The story goes, he didn't know what to get me, but he was like, I know he likes this. I hope he likes this. I love it. So shout out to my brother Bub. I love every bit of it. So let's start over here. He got me it's an air fryer. It is also a toaster oven and a regular convention oven. I know the camera's not doing justice. It is a lot bigger than what it looks like on camera. But yeah, that is one of the pieces. And then he got me this beautiful knife, regular cutlery set. And then he also got me this big solid wood chopping board. It's so pretty, I don't even want to use it, but I'm going to use it. And then he also got me this big I believe it's a 6-quart, but it is the air fryer. And you guys, I'm going to create a separate video. I'm going to link every single one of these products down. They are not only aesthetically pleasing, but they are also wonderful cookware. Like, I've used them and used them and used them. Top of the line. And then I treated myself because he kind of created a monster. This is the Drew Barrymore. I believe this is for the bathroom. It is a soap dispenser. I thought that I could replace my Bath and Body Works soap dispenser. That wasn't the case. It was kind of a nightmare. I had soap everywhere. But anyway, I actually put my Dawn dish soap in that because it's just, you know, pump, easy. And then he also got me the Beautiful by Drew Barrymore, and it's going to continue. We got a lot more products to go through. But he also got me the Beautiful by Drew Barrymore microwave. Absolutely amazing. It also has, if you have little kiddos at home, it has a lock feature. So when the microwave is running, or when it's not running, you have a lock feature on here to where you cannot open the door. So that's a plus. And then, I'm gonna step over here, my brand new China cabinet. Love my China cabinet. This was also purchased at Walmart. Now, he did not get this for me for Christmas. Like I said, he kind of created a monster. So I wanted to redo my kitchen. As you guys, if you watched my fall decorate with me and my Christmas decorate with me, I had mentioned I want to paint in here. I want to paint the walls white. So we have a lot of projects for 2025 in this house, and I'm going to take y'all along. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we have a lot of decorating. Easter's coming up. I don't think I'm going to do anything for St. Patrick's Day, but I think I'm going to do an early spring decorate with me. I don't know yet. But anyway, back to this. This is a China cabinet bookshelf combination. It has the drawers. The reason why I chose this was I wanted some type of showcase quality to where I could display some of my pieces. Now, when I tell you my brother spoils me, he spoils me. He got me a 10-in-1, all 10-in-1. It is a Dutch oven, it's a steamer, it is a slow cooker. You can cook soups, chilies, you can roast chicken, you can roast pot roast, you can roast pork, you can put pork chops in there. And leave me a comment down below. I was thinking about doing a couple cook. I'm actually a really good cook, so my family says and my friends. But leave me a comment down below and let me know if that's something that would interest you guys, because I have a few recipes I'd love to share with you using these new products. But anyway, and then also this is the Drew Barrymore. My brain just completely shut down, y'all. This is the Drew Barrymore, what was this thing called? This is a Drew Barrymore electric kettle. It's perfect for tea if you love hot tea, Earl Grey tea, lemon teas, things like that. It's super, super fast. So yeah, we got that. And then up here, I have, and don't mind the wall, we're gonna repair that. That's some water damage from years and years ago. But this is a Drew Barrymore blender. And it also, every one of these products are touchscreen. And what I love about this is not the fact that they're touchscreen, but the fact that when they're not in use, it has this sleek, neutral design. And it also came with this cute smoothie cup. Like, the thought that went into these products, besides the color, oh my God, the color. That's not it. Let's go over here to my brand new coffee bar. These wall shelves, these floating shelves, y'all guys will not believe, $10 for 2. I was looking at floating shelves and I don't know if y'all have seen floating shelves online, but they are astronomically expensive. And I did not want to invest a lot of money in floating shelves. Walmart, $10. And then I just took a curtain rod right here that I had from a previous house, and I took, which I'll show you here in a minute, my pot rack, but I had some extra hooks and I hung my Rae Dunn mugs and I created this beautiful coffee bar. He also got me, he did give me this coffee bar for Christmas. It is absolutely wonderful. Excuse the mess down there. All my Rae Dunn, I'm a Rae Dunn fanatic. I don't know if you guys know about Rae Dunn or anything like that, but I love Rae Dunn. He also got me this right here, and then we'll get to these appliances up here. But he also got me this Belgian waffle maker. When I say he spoiled me, he spoiled me. I mean, so yeah, that's that. And then he got me the beautiful by Drew Barrymore toaster. So we have the toaster, and then we have the espresso. This is like a souped up K-cup. It's a lot more, there's a lot more functions. It has the ability, if you want whole beans, to be able to put the whole beans in there. It holds way more water. It has all these different, it has a built-in grinder. You know, you can take this out, wash this. It lets you know it'll beep forever. Oh, no, we don't want to turn it off. Turn it off. I don't know why it's beeping at me, but anyhow, we're still learning how to use that. But I got that. And then I have my pot rack right here. I have my pot rack above my island. And then of course I have my cute little tier tray, and I've got it set up for Valentine's Day. I'm sorry I did not do a decorate with me for Valentine's Day. I was going to, but it's too late in the game. But I am planning a spring decorate with me, and we have a bunch of projects in this kitchen. I want to update the hardware. I want to update the cabinets. I want to update a lot of things in here. So I'm going to take you guys along. So leave me a comment. Let me know if that would interest you. Give this video a thumbs up. And I have one last thing to show you over here. These I actually got from a thrift store. They were brand new. And I love that industrial. Like I said, I like the white, gold, and the black. It's neutral looking. And it's clean. And I love cooking. So I'm starting to fill up all my spices. I've got all my baking spices that's gonna go up here. Then I have like my Italian going into my spicy spices. And then I have my everyday spices like your garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, all that good stuff, chili powder. And then down here, I'm just gonna have what I call my overflow. These I purchased off of Amazon. They're glass, and they actually have this same color gold. I'm OCD, if you haven't figured that out by now. But I'm OCD, so they match this to the T. So I made sure that I got that. And they come with labels. They come with a little funnel and all that stuff. So as I'm filling this up, I maybe film a little video, a little short for you guys to see. But I absolutely love my new kitchen. And there's, like I said, there's so much more that I'm going to be doing. And then I had an extra pack of those shelves that I just added over here. If you guys remember my Christmas Decorate With Me, I'll insert a clip right here. I had these spice shelves and I used those as like decorative shelves, but I upgraded them. So I think, and then of course we're gonna be replacing the ceiling fans. I want the long glass lights up in here. So there's a lot happening. I do have a full-time job. Like I said, I'm so sorry that I haven't posted a video up until now, but I have been so busy with work and trying to get everything back. The holidays, I mean, I don't know about you guys, but they came and they hit hard and they were fast, and then I had a lot to pack up, I want to show you guys before I leave. This is also another project. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. Now, do not judge me. I am far, when I say far from over on these projects. There's where Christmas exploded. But yeah. So, we have projects, friends. We have projects. So, hopefully you'll stick around. And hopefully you'll subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm hoping to reach 2,000 subscribers by Easter. That is a goal of mine. So I know you guys can help like and share this video. And like I said, if you want me to cook, leave me a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see y'all next week, guys. Bye, friends.